And the DSM-5 have come up with this, again, this idea of an alternative model of personality disorder. Rather than thinking about your personality as a kind of limb that can get broken, thinking about your personality as something that you do with your mind. And it's affected, yes, by the traits that you grow in your childhood and maybe affected by your genes, but also about how you do your mind, how you do your relationships. And again, the DSM-5 have also suggested that when we're assessing people with personality disorder, we think about how severe their disorder might be and how it's impairing their function with other people, in particular how it's impairing their function in the social domains. So how it impairs their work function, how it impairs their friendships and general social function, how it impairs their relationships with close intimates and with children. These are all different kinds of social relationship. And it's important when you're assessing personality disorder to look at how the personality dysfunction is affecting these different social domains.